Welcome to this mindfulness meditation. We're going to use this time to set our mindful intention for the new year. I want you to get in a comfortable position, sitting with your back straight, either on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or sitting comfortably on the floor with your legs crossed at the ankles. Take a few seconds to settle into this position. I recommend you close your eyes and place your hands on your laps or thighs. Let's start off by taking some deep breaths to regulate our blood pressure and to put us in a calm state. Deep breath in through your nose. Exhale deeply and long through your mouth. Again, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale deeply and long through your mouth. One more time, through your nose. And exhale. I want you to keep your eyes closed and for you to focus on your breath. You're going to take your breath back to its normal rhythm and just pay attention to the inhales and the exhales. Now I want you to focus on your emotions. What emotions are you feeling right now? Now I want you to think back on the last year. How does it make you feel? What emotions does it bring up for you? Do you feel accomplished? Do you feel tired? Overwhelmed? I want you to continue to think about these emotions. Just remember how it made you feel. This year we just completed. Now I want you to start thinking about your new goals. How would you like to feel by the end of this new year? Would you like to feel accomplished? Would you like to feel proud, satisfied, loved, free? Just know that you are deserving of all the good feelings, and you get to decide which one you want to dominate your emotion. I want you to imagine yourself in that emotional state because you have achieved the goal or the goals. You did that thing. Imagine the feeling. Open up to the feeling and welcome that feeling in. I want you to hold on to that feeling and bask in its warmth and comfort. Feel it embracing you and allowing yourself to react to it by smiling, by blushing, a sigh of relief. I want you to think of the people that were there for you, the people that supported you, encouraging you. At this time, I want you to send out that energy of love and appreciation to them, from your heart to theirs. Now think about yourself. Think about how strong and resilient you are. I want you to take your left hand and put it on your chest and feel your heart beat. Take a moment and just feel it. Focus your mind or your attention and just feel the beating of your heart. Now I want you to repeat these words. Repeat them within, in your mind, as if you're seeing the words and embedding it on your heart. I am strong. I am resilient. I am capable of great things. This is my time to shine. And I'll repeat that again. I am strong. I am resilient. I am capable of great things. This is my time to shine. Now take a deep breath in and let that feeling marinate as you slowly breathe out. One more time, deep breath in. Let that feeling sink in. And slowly breathe out. Now we're going to start externalizing. I want you to gently rest your hands back on your lap. Feel your feet on the floor. Listen to the sounds around you. Smell the aroma in the room. And I want you to gently open your eyes. I thank you for meditating with me. I wish you much prosperity and blessings.